Hey guys, welcome back to Math from Ilyas, and in today's video we'll be solving problem 5 of the AMC 12A 2024. So let's start. A dataset containing 20 numbers, some of which are 6, has a mean 45. When all the 6s are removed, the dataset has a mean 66. How many 6s were in the original dataset? So in order to solve this equation, we'll be setting some variables. So let y, our first variable, equal the sum of the dataset without the 6s. And let x, so what we're solving for, x, how many 6s were in the original dataset, x is the amount of 6s. And now we're going to set two different equations based on the two means that we were given, 45 and 66. So when there's a mean 45, the dataset contains 20 numbers. So in the denominator, we're going to have 20. And in the numerator, that's going to be the sum of the dataset without the 6's y plus 6 times x. So 6 times the amount of 6's. Since y plus 6x gives us the sum of the datasets with this dataset with the 6's, and that's going to equal 45. So that's our first equation. Our second equation for when the mean is 66 is when all the 6's are removed. So what we're going to have the sum of the dataset without the 6's y divided by 20 minus the amount of 6's x. And that's equal to 66. So now I'm going to go ahead and set both equations equal to each other. And the way I'm going to do that is by solving for y in both equations. So on the left-hand side, to solve for y, first I'm going to multiply both sides by 20. So I have y plus 6x is equal to 45 times 20. 45 times 20 will be 900. And so y is equal to 900 minus 6x. Then on the on the right-hand side, to solve for y, I'm going to multiply both sides by 20 minus x. So y is equal to 66 times 20 minus x. I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. 66 times 20 is 1320. Then we have minus 66x. So now I'm going to set both of these equations equal to each other. 900 minus 6x is equal to 1320 minus 66x. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve for x. So I'm going to go ahead and add 66x to both sides. I'm going to subtract 900 from both sides. So negative 6x plus 66x, that's going to be 60x. 1320 minus 900, that's going to be 420. So I have 60x equals 420. Then to solve for x, I divide by 60. 420 divided by 60, that's going to be 7, since 6 times 7 is 42. So the amount of 6's is 7, and that is option D. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys soon for another video.